What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be mulching up some leaves. As you can see here, they're already kind of mulched up, but I'm gonna mulch them up a little bit more, get them into the grass. I had a bag full of mulched up leaves that I had left over from a job, so I'm gonna go ahead and mulch them up a little bit more, get them into the ground, so that way it can help my grass grow, so that next spring I can have nice green grass. I'm working on it. There's a lot of weeds and stuff, but we just don't really have time to work on the lawn very much. So let's see how this thing does. It's on mulch mode. We got the mulch plug in there, so let's go ahead and see. You got your key here. Get your key in there, hold that down, pull the lever. The blade's kind of dull, guys. Let's check it out here. Whoa, a lot of dust. The blade is actually really dull. I haven't gotten a chance to switch it out. I have two blades. So what I do, look at that, man. That's as dull as a blade can get. What I do is I have two blades. When one gets dull, I'll switch it out. I just haven't had a chance to switch it out. Been real busy with other stuff, but it's getting in there. It's mulching down the leaves. I can bring it down a notch. It's actually at the highest setting right now. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down. Let's bring it down to 3. That's where I usually mow my grass, so it can get down there, lift up some of those other leaves, and really get them mulched up. Let's check it out. Let's see if that works a little better. Alrighty guys, so I worked them in there pretty good. I'm gonna let those sit over the winter and hopefully it'll turn into good nutrition for the grass. I'm not gonna bore you guys anymore with any more leaf mulching video. Comment, share, subscribe, and let me know what you thought about this video. If you want to see something else with this Eagle lawnmower, I've done all kinds of stuff with this Eagle lawnmower. I even ran over a cactus plant. It's a tough little machine. It's got a lot of wear and tear, as you can see, and it's been holding up great. Well, until next time guys.